snore. In this package, there is a limited edition reusable sticker. Yes, that's right, folks, reusable. Side effects may include the undying urge to fly and save people and migraines. Gosh, does anyone have ibuprofen?